channel, right? So today we're gonna make some simple functions in Python that I'll teach how to use if, elif, else, while, this nice, and I'll teach to use something that you might use in machine learning. So I'm making some videos about machine learning, and I didn't show how to make some codes that I usually didn't use because I used scikit-learn, so it's a no need math library because it's built in. Right? So let's make a mean function about grades. Alright, so your grade. Well, so we're gonna make this, and 1 and 2 and 3 and it is 3, 4 grades. So it can be the function sum. So my am and main is equals sum and 2 and 3, right? But if so, we're gonna be the function f me. It's smaller. This bigger than 7. Print. So if main is bigger than 7, you can print congratulations. Oh my god. My fucking god. Alright, congratulations. You passed. So, elif mean is let me think. Smaller and equal or equals 7. Print try again. You did. You have one more chance. One more chance. Well, oh fuck. Oh, I'll make it right. So we're gonna use the function else to predict the rest of it. Underneath. Let's use the if function again. I guess we can use it. Main, if main smaller than 5. Print sorry. You're out. So, but that's it. Wait, grade. Let me get. I got 10. I got 9. I got 8.5. No, it's. Wait. Oh, let me adjust something in my relation to you best. So I won't make it. I made a little bit different. Right? So let me. I put it in front because it will show me my grade, final grade. Well, and instead of using int, I'll use float. I'll try to make it faster, but I don't want to cut my video because I want to be the realest ever. We got it. So let's say it again. My grade. I got a 10, 9.5, 7.5, 3.5. Oh, I forgot something. I would never be with intelligent. I'm sorry. 10, 9.5, 8.5, 6.5. Ooh man. I got 8.6. That's not a good grade, but let's get it. So this is a little bit of input using float ports, but instruction, because when you use input, you text here that you're gonna put it's already string, so you need to put this identifier before to say it. If it's float, if it's int, or if it's string. You don't need to put if it's string because it's already string if you don't put anything. The main this is a variable, but the sum function is the Greek symbol that you use in statistics. I don't know how to say the name of it, but sometimes I remember, and I put in screen if I remembered. And it's a great function for statistics. I'm learning a lot of it. I'm making a great course at Stanford. It's Andrew and Jane. Really, I highly recommend this course. If you need, go to Coursera, make it. And I teach about elif, if, and this function print. Alright, so now we're gonna make while. So put my grade. I put something different. Put a number. So if and it's bigger than 10, I'll declare it a variable. Well, we use it if n's bigger than 10. Well, no, I'll make something different. I guess I'll make something different. We're gonna see if no, I already used if. Let's use well. Let me think. I actually didn't have sure. How can I use this? Make it this. Right. Easy one. gonna double your number or multiply them by 2 using while. I is bigger than or equal 1. And this part here, you can make some different points. Equally, the sign on there, you can just put plus here. That will mean the same. So, right. Then I will be equal. So after it, print and oh shit, I get it wrong. So it's just a representation of while. I can make some different. I can calculate prime numbers using while. This is really interesting. I already made it, and I can show you if I got it. Random number 40. You get the double of it. So I show you some previous function that I already made. This is prime function. I'm learning other languages, so this is in other languages and get it on. And the function I'll show you is a little bit different than another thing. For writing a function, you need to put the first thing is def. I don't know what exactly is def, but I guess it's defined function. Definitely. And just here, it is right. Primo should be prime. I don't know what it is. So case big variable for making this. Def is the division points that you use to half the sports points you can use. While div is upper or equal 1. Div is equal k, so the rest will be k, the rest of division of div. Right. You got it. So it will be 0. Div is equal to div plus 1. I made this one because in this time I didn't know how to make this techniques that I showed. Let's go. And div will be 1 less, and f rest is equal to 0. Alright, the exact division, you know the prime numbers has 2 divisors, 1 and e, the number. Points is equal points plus 1, and if points equal true equal 2. I'm sorry. Let's like points will be the divisors of the number. So a point number just have 2 divisors. So if points equal true, 2, return true. Else return false. So let's guess. I know 12 is in a prime number, so let's put it false. So let's try a random infinite number. It's a little bit lazy for calculating. Python is or octave. It's faster. If you want, comment down below. I can bring some octave videos. I didn't get it because it's too long. Let me short it a little. When it got too long, you restore it. Oh, this was busy. Let's show it a little. This is true. Got it. So 17099 is the prime number. So if you like the video, hit the thumbs up, comment something down below that if you want to appear in this video. I'm learning TensorFlow, so I can bring more videos about TensorFlow and I will start a Twitch channel. If you want to see me in Twitch, I didn't create it. So in the next videos, I will put a link in the description where you access and see my channel on Twitch, because I don't stream. I don't want to show my face, but I'll show my webcam. You can see my face. So thanks everybody for watching my video. In the next video, I'll bring more machine learning adventures. And thanks everybody.